Alpha, leave am na my shop they come. You want to pay your phone? Oh yeah, come upstairs. No worry, they come. Leave them. They come. Oh yeah, now climb up, climb. Follow the staircase, climb. Alpha, what did you? What did they do the phone?
My charging point.
The charging point.
Yeah.
No go far now.
Oh
worry,
this now.
You know when I know they do phone, they come. No worry, just bring 50k if they come tomorrow.
50k. I tell you.
Now techno be this now. Bring 50k if they come tomorrow.
Bro, 50k too much, bro.
Now 50k.
Bro, reduce price now. What's wrong with 50k? How much I come buy the phone?
Because now you just do 45k. Because now you.
Now they come tomorrow, come collect the phone. No.
Oh yeah now.
They hear me.
Oh yeah now. Tomorrow you come collect them.
Yeah.
Omo. Make I haven't seen they do this phone first.
Look at this dude.
The phone they press now. Wetin this boy they talk? Well, put abasha for me, I beg. Put fish, oh.
Oh my god, bro. Oh hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Fuck! I never do this guy phone, no. Fuck. Okay, the phone's still good. Omo, make a best chop first. This guy know they run. I go just do it next week. I don't tell this woman, no they put green leaf for my abacha. Omo, I know they like all these things where this woman they do.
Look at this dude.
Hello, if you find the best rate for card like this, na card radar, they are one of the best. Yes, now any card where your family is sending and you want trade them, use card radar, they are one of the best. And if you use my promo code on the screen, there's a 3% bonus for you. I swear to God, card radar.
Alpha, when my phone?
Oh, Alpha, that your phone get a lot of issues with my bro. No, if you go suffer, just come tomorrow. Tomorrow I go don't finish. Bro, I dey go do the battery like that. I swear, no worry, just come tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yeah. I don't dey come out. I don't dey close. Make I just
Bro, I dey find for your shop now.
Come plaza today. No worry, tomorrow, just come tomorrow. That your phone. Now your battery I go buy like this here.
Now charging point spoil. Which one be battery?
Oh, now charging. No worry. See, I just want help you do am. No worry. Tomorrow, come. Tomorrow you go down.
I don't complain about my battery.
No worry, come tomorrow. Tomorrow, no worry. Tomorrow. Hey, my bro, tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Baba, come give my phone now. You dey mad?
I mean,
do my phone.
I don't do your phone already. Make I just couple am. I don't know why you know the rush. Make I just couple am. I don't do am already. Looking at the screen. I don't do am already. See now. So this phone now, see as it dey on. If you do am like this, see am, you don't on. Okay, you don't on back. Sorry. See am, you don't on. So now, so you go to press the phone for now. I beg. Now, this phone, I suffer before I do this phone. I swear. No worry. And again, I notice that you be introvert, so I help you put blue lights for your touch. So that the introvert things.
Bro, I will tell you stop. Nah, I give you the phone. What you do the back?
But
the charging point I give you, what's in the...
Yes, but I help you do the other points. You get the points.
Yeah.